Hold on, they got a charging.
Hi, this is JB Lennox and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am so sunburned on my body, but not on my face or my tent. Just had to point that out before anyone else does. Or you can and just remind me of exactly how badly I messed up. So right now we are enjoying our meal at Pho V. We are in San Antonio, Texas. We are going to do a mukbang right now. So this is our appetizer. We have enjoyed a wonderful set of spring rolls, which we have our shrimp, we have our chicken, and we have our pork spring rolls. We have our bean sprouts, we have our cilantro, we have our jalapeno, and we have our lemon already hooked up for us, and then we have our main course on its way. So our main course is going to consist of seafood flat noodle soup, which is going to have shrimp, fish cake, squid, and crab meat in a light seafood broth, and it's going to be served with rice noodles. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. Now this first bite is for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now this is in a peanut sauce. Oh, it's nice and soaked. And I'm sipping on some green herbal tea. I'll just set this over here so that way I can just grab it a little bit easier. It's a little too small and hooked on my finger. That's a little too much. But this is so delicious. Highly recommended. This is not my first time coming here. Oh, scrumptious. So let's see. Let me get this chicken one. Off of here. I'm gonna leave the pork and the crab for Tommy Tomato. So spring rolls are just an awesome, excellent, healthy, nutritious snack. This is rice paper that it's wrapped in and that we're eating. Of course, it has lettuce in here. Sometimes it's made with like some cabbage, but overall, it's just so awesome. It's so delicious. So I took a break from cooking today. Kind of went back to my personal page, and I was kind of getting the scoop on what's going on with everyone else's lives. There was some birthdays. I had to go say happy birthday. I'm seeing what's going on with this whole Johnny Depp thing and this whole Amber Heard. Come on now, you know she's lying. She was trying to pocket that money. Come on now. Girl, you should have donated that money. What's wrong with you? That shit was not yours. Anyways, so I was getting a scoop. I was going to originally cook tonight, but then I was like, oh no, we'll go out to eat. So I can't wait to be able to try some of this pho that they're making. Now, this is a really good restaurant. It's highly recommended. Again, this is in San Antonio. They are Pho V, which is PHO space BY. They are on the west side of San Antonio. Oh, and it's here.
I got it.
Perfect timing.
Anything else for you?
Thank you. Oh, we're good for right now.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, here, so let's zoom you in on this right now. So, Yes, so we got our fish cakes, we got our noodle, we got our crab. I can't wait to be able to dig in and tear it up. So, meanwhile, I gotta dress this dish up. Gotta put some bean sprouts up in this. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
You gonna eat your jalapenos?
No, you go ahead and you handle those jalapenos. Those are not my cup of tea of peppers. My peppers are crunchy peppers. Yes. That is more of a very particular spice. Spice level out of my reach. Pepper King does not go that way. Let's see. Ooh. Go ahead and put some lime, well, some lemon in here. Yes, we are. Now, I want to try this without putting the hoisin sauce in it, just to see and make sure that everything's going good with it. Now, when they make this and they get all the juices boiling, they put the noodles in last. The noodles do not get prepared with everything else, just so you know. The meat does not get prepared with everything else either. Unless you, well, actually, it kind of does. It does, unless you want your meat raw. But that's not what it says. That is actually really good. Very good. It does not need the hoisin sauce. But then again, to each their own. You're just letting that egg roll just soak up in that soup, ain't you? And that pho. Sorry, that pho. That could be offensive in some areas.
Okay, so far?
Oh, yes, it's wonderful. Thank you so much. shrimps are good. This crab is good. These fish cakes are good. The seafood broth is good. Oh. Oh yes, we are tearing it up. Spring rolls are gone. See, before I used to be able to wolf through like a whole table, but meanwhile I had to slow it down a lot. Yeah. Did you try the pork spring roll?
Not yet.
I know you've seen that. I'm glad it landed in the spoon. Oh yeah.
For some reason, the tea when I drink it, the aftertaste tastes like olives.
It does?
Kind of weird.
You should ask what kind of tea it is.
Sweet. Tastes sweet.
The broth is amazing.
You wonder what I didn't see in here yet? Or is it this squid?
Yeah, that's what it.
I think I just ate could have been the squid.
Yeah, did you see it in there?
I think it was that white thing. That white curve. That tastes like fish. That's crab.
It's crab. Okay, we might have one little request for today. Yeah. So that's going to be put off to the side. Now we were supposed to have some squid in there, but I didn't see it. And neither did he. Thank you for bringing that up. So, back to these spring rolls. I'll wait till the guy comes back over here. Wow, but I had already wolfed down the whole thing. I did. It was actually really good. You know, I still have some broth in there, but yeah, we didn't get the squid.
Was this squid or octopus? Isn't that?
It was supposed to be squid.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, let's talk about this. That could be it. Try it.
Set it right there. Or just don't eat it, but leave it in the bowl.
First, I squid does not taste like fish. Like,
I'm gonna ask him.
How's the fishy scent?
Maybe it was in there. I didn't see it. I don't know. I was expecting to get like a whole squid or something. And my expectations are just a little too high. But overall, it was really good.
I've never had
But
I only had octopus.
I was expecting to see like a tentacle or 3, maybe 8. I didn't see them. This one's actually really good.
Pork?
Mm-mm. This one's chicken.
Oh,
That's pork. Did you want to try chicken?
no good. Yeah, too much turkey.
I have too much chicken. Oh, poor kid. Actually, we do eat really healthy, and the lighting in here is really horrible. But I do make a lot of things with chicken, and I do make things with shrimp. I do make things with crab, fish, salmon. But I do like my chicken. I do. Ever since I had eliminated meat, beef, and 95% of the time, anything with pork. Yeah. You know. But he, on the other hand, I will make him something for himself. Something with beef, a roast, a salad. He gets his burger. You know, I do make sure he gets his own, as opposed to me. Overall, everything else was good. I'm gonna see what's going on with this squid, and more than likely, we had already ate it. So, this is JB Lennox, and I thank you for tuning in with me. And hopefully, you will go ahead and be inspired to go and have some pho yourself. I will be making some pho for you soon. And thanks for watching my channel. And when you grow, I grow, we grow together. I appreciate you so much. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Turn on those notifications. And I thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that you guys are here and actually watching my videos. This has been a really good turnout, and this is off to a really great start. Thanks again.